What's that sound? Well, this is my little Henrietta chicken hard boiler cooker or hard boil cooker. I just love this little appliance. My eggs come out perfect every time I want a hard boiled egg. There she goes. She's clicking away, letting me know my eggs are ready. And there they are. Perfect hard-boiled eggs. I just love this. And have some beautiful brown fresh eggs that we get from a local chicken farm up here. Always fresh, free range, happy chickens. So anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Good Friday. Many blessings to you all, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.